In this video, I will show you how to use CloudFlare and how you can set it up with your website. So I'll show you literally every single step that you need to take in order to get it set up and running with your domain. So personally, I have got a domain from Hostinger, but if you have another domain registrar such as GoDaddy, then you can still use the same methods that I'll show you in this video. So first, what you want to go and do is open up the CloudFlare website, so that's cloudflare.com, and then click on sign up. Now once you're here, you can simply choose the free plan, and this will give you pretty much everything you need. And you can see when you upgrade to Pro, all you will get is a lossless image optimization and an accelerated mobile page. So if you do really want that, then you can of course upgrade to one of their paid plans, but in my opinion the free plan is more than enough, so I'll just pick this one. So go and click add a website right there, and now you will be prompted to create an account. So in order to create an account, simply go and add your email and password. And as you can see, this is also what CloudFlare does, so they verify that you are a human so that you don't get any bot traffic to your website. So simply gonna sign up. And now once you have filled in your information, click sign up right there. And now you will get to the CloudFlare dashboard, which will be completely empty when you are just creating your account. Now if you already have an account and you have already set up websites previously, you can still follow these same steps. So what you want to go and do is in the top right, click on add site. So now we can actually go and add our site. So here you need to enter your domain name. Now you need to make sure that you don't add www or https. So just go to the place where you bought your domain. So for me that's Hostinger, but it can be any domain registrar, and there are a bunch of them. So just open up your domain registrar right here, and there are also some tools that can help you find where you bought your domain if you're not sure. So this website right here will help you do this. So it's called woo.is. So for example, if I add my Hostinger domain in there, so that's this right here, and then put it in here, it should say that I bought it at Hostinger. Now since my website is not live yet, it will say this right here, but if you have already launched your website, then you will have it right here. So for me it shows this because I don't have the actual hosting yet, but if you do, then it will say where you actually bought your domain, and then you can just find that domain here because we will need to use this account. So simply copy your domain here, then go to CloudFlare and paste that domain in right here, and then click continue. So now here you will again see their pricing plans, but for me the free plan is more than enough. As you can see, you will get all of their core features, so simply go and click on continue. Now there are a couple of steps that you need to follow, and I'll show you all of them. So first you need to be logged in to your domain registrar. Now I already did that, so it skips that step for me. But now what you can do is add more DNS records for your domain right here. So right here you will see a bunch of records, and those should be the same as when you click right here on manage and then click DNS name servers right there. You will then see all of these records right here, and these should be the same as right here. Now you can simply go and click continue. And now here is the important part. So step number 1 is to log into the domain registrar or reseller where you registered the parent domain. Again, you can find it with the website that I showed you earlier. Now you need to avoid DNS resolution issues caused by DNSSEC. So if you do have that, you can find that right here. So you need to make sure that the DNSSEC is turned off at least 24 hours before updating your name service. So for example, in Hostinger you can find that right here under DNSSEC, and you want to go and make sure that this is not enabled. So for me it's fine, nothing found right here. If this is enabled, you want to go and delete it. And then after you do that, you can move on to step number 3, which is to update your name service. So find the list of name servers at your registrar, and in the Hostinger specifically, that's just your DNS records right here. And then here you will see your name servers. Now you can just search up how to find name servers in and then your registrar, and then you will also find a tutorial about that. And now simply go and click change name servers. Now click change name servers. Now here you have name server 1 and name server 2, then go to CloudFlare, and then here you have name server number 1, so go and click to copy right there and paste this one in at number 1 here, and then the other one at number 2. So make sure that you delete the current ones and replace them with the ones that you see right here. Then go and click on save. And now your name servers have been changed. Now it might take up to 24 hours for the domain to propagate to the new name servers. So this is very common for it to take 24 hours, so be patient and it will change. So now it should actually say your domain is not pointing to Hostinger or whatever your registrar is, because it should be pointing to CloudFlare. So now you can click check name servers now. And now it will be checking the name servers for my domain, and it says please wait a few hours for an update. So you can just do this until it is updated, and then once it is, click continue right there. And now you can configure your domain settings to improve security, optimize performance, and get the most from your account. So click get started right here, and in order to improve security, you can enable automatic HTTPS rewrites. So this will fix mixed content by changing HTTP to HTTPS for all resources or links on your website that can be served with HTTPS. So just turn this on for the security and click save. Now you can also turn on to always use HTTPS. So you can turn this on if you want. Now standard this is turned off, but let's say I want to turn it on, then I'll do that and click save. Now you can actually optimize your performance, so you have something called Broadly, and this helps you speed up the page load times for your visitors' HTTPS traffic by applying Broadly compression. So I do like to turn this on, since this will again optimize your performance. Then click save, and now here you will have a summary. So I've turned all three of these things on, and now I can click finish, and now I am done, and I can use this completely for free. Now again, it may take 24 hours for it to actually update, and you can check that at any time you want by scrolling down here, and then in CloudFlare just click check name servers now. And now for me it's already being rechecked because I already chose that, but once it's set up you will see it right here, and all of the changes will be applied automatically. So now we have set up CloudFlare, so now it will be more secure, and the performance will also be improved completely for free. Now if you want to add more sites, simply follow the step-by-step process again, click add site right there, and then you'll be able to do it again. Now inside of CloudFlare you have a bunch more features right here, so you can see your analytics and logs, for example, so you can see your web traffic, bandwidth, unique visitors, etc. So you can also use all of this. Then under security you can set up the security, so you have firewall events, and you can add filters. So for example, you can filter out a country. Let's say that you want to filter out Cuba. Now you can click apply, and now people from Cuba will not be able to see your website. So you can just go through all of this, see if there are some features that you would like to use. So you can also set up email routing, so you can create custom email addresses to use whenever you do not want to share your primary email address. So they have a bunch of useful tools right here that you can just check out. Now once you go to custom pages here, there will also be a feature for IP/country block, where you can also block the countries. So now you know how to use CloudFlare. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.